Hi, welcome to Civil Connection channel. Today we are going to see about AutoCAD. So here today I am going to explain in detail about some clarifications that is given in the command, that is we need to take a print with scale of 1 is to 150 or 1 is to 100, but we don't know to take it. So how can we draw that? They have asked that. So for that command I shall proceed this process. Okay. So here I shall in AutoCAD I shall draw an rectangle. Depends, the scale depends upon the paper we choose. So here I shall choose an A4 paper. The A4 paper size, it is 210 cross 297 mm. Okay, for that I shall draw a rectangle. So rectangle, I have given the command REC, and here I shall choose the base point, first point as 0, 0, or you can choose the bottom of the diagram. Okay, so here bottom of the diagram, here it is I have chosen 0, 0, and dimension I am giving, it is 210, that is length I have given 210 and width I have given 297. Okay, I shall form the rectangle, so I need to rotate it. So I shall rotate it first. Rotate base point, it is the base point, 90-degree rotation. Okay, here I have got a rectangle. So I need to space this stair hall inside this box. So I shall draw another rectangle so that I can find the scale. Okay, it should be also a rectangle. Okay, now I need to scale this rectangle, that is, now I have provided some rectangle, I need to scale that rectangle. So I shall convert this in order to know which triangle it is. So sorry, which rectangle. For that I shall change the color of the rectangle. Okay, it is in white color. Now I shall scale this A4 size rectangle SC by using factor. Okay, this is a base point, so I shall choose an reference factor as 200. So with 200 it is goes beyond it, so I shall do undo. Now I shall scale it. You see, this is the base point, and I shall give the factor as 30. So where is this? Okay, it here. So you can reduce this again, you can reduce it. So I shall give undo, and I shall choose the scale factor, again scale command, base point. So it is 25. Okay, it approximately reaches the stair hall. Okay, size. So this is the stair hall size, it is reached. So what is the scale of this rectangle? It is 1 is to 25. Okay, so I shall type this. Scale, it is 1 is to 25. So similarly you can scale it. So I shall change the size of the text. Size, it is 20 or it is 5. I shall choose 5. Okay, still it is invisible, so I shall choose here 20. Okay, still it is invisible, so let it be 100. Okay, scale of this is 1:25. So I have some other drawings, so I shall move this object to some distance. Okay, now I can place this in the paper plot, that is layout. So before that I can choose the layout. Okay, this layout should be modified to A4 sheet, so I shall modify it. So here you can print it as to PDF, or we can choose what are the printer it is connected. So I shall choose AutoCAD PDF. Okay, drawing to PDF. Okay, here it will be in inches, or you can choose here AutoCAD general format. Here it depends, you can choose the ISO of A4, A3, A4 here. Okay, the size will be, you can see it is in portrait form, so I shall change this for landscape. Okay, now the layout, it can be changed into windows. It will be rectangle, center plot, and can choose here any type of thing. For printing you shall choose monochrome. So if you are using different colors, if you choose here monochrome, it will be coming in a single color. Okay, so that we are going to use as monochrome. Okay, then give OK. Next give close. Here it is the viewport. It is one of the command, viewport. We can create number of viewports. I shall delete this and I shall create a viewport. It is viewport command, it is viewport only. So viewports, so there are different types of viewports. One, it is two single you can choose, then two verticals, two horizontals, right, left, so 3 parts, 4 parts, 4 equal parts. These are some of the viewports. It is readily available, so you can choose single. I need a single, so I shall choose single. Then I need to specify the location from here to here. Okay, so if you click this viewport here, if you see the viewport here, this it will be showing all the diagram in the model space. In the model space, this is model space. In model space, what are the diagrams you have drawn will be shown in the viewport, what you have created now recently. Okay, so you can modify this, see here, by double clicking inside the viewport. So you can move the model space here. Now you can zoom it according to the size, it will be shown. So I shall zoom with respect to this rectangle. Okay, it is accompanied inside. So after accompanying, you can remove this line, should be from the A4 sheet size. Okay, already this paper, it is A4 sheet. So this viewport border will be forming a border line for the printing text. So you no need to draw no need to keep the border in the model space. You can remove it and you can click outside. So now you can text here. Okay, in viewport, that is in layout also, you can write the text, you can draw lines, everything in the model space also. So here I shall write a text. See here, it is civil connection. I have written here. Okay, here I shall give this formatting subscription, everything. Here it will be this will be also will be printed here. Okay, this is the concept here. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Okay, then if you like, you can thumbs up, you can press the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel. And if you need the updation immediately, you need to press the bell button to get the notification of the videos. Thank you.